Hi everyone, it's Josiah with MachMotion. We're working on this CR Onsrud Panel Pro router. We're about to run some of our cables. We had to run some new cables to attach our HMI. So we're going to go through the existing machine cable track, and the process I like to follow to run these cables is, one, you got to make sure everything that's delicate on these is protected. So here we've padded this delicate connector here with electrical tape to make sure it survives going through that track, doesn't get any dirt in it. Another thing, you want to make sure you pull in the correct end. We don't want to pull through the entire machine and have to redo the end when we get it all the way through. That's always a time killer. So we've got our cables protected, everything. We've confirmed that we're pulling it the right way. So I'm going to transfer over and let Adam pull it through the cable track for us. If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.